In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your supplier on 1688 APP. By the end, you'll confidently place and pay for an order inside the 1688 app without confusion. First, open the 1688 app and log into your account. If the interface appears in Chinese, look for the language or translation option in settings or on the product page. Some versions offer built-in translation. Even if you keep Chinese as the default, don't worry. I'll point out the key labels to recognize as we go. Next, choose a product that allows direct payment. Open a product listing and make sure three things are clearly visible: a price, the minimum order quantity, often shown as MOQ, and an enabled buy or place order button. If you see a message that essentially says contact supplier only, that usually means the seller has not enabled instant payment and you'll need to discuss terms before the order can be placed in the app. Before paying, always chat with the supplier to confirm details. Ask about the exact product specifications, the final price after any discounts, the MOQ, stock availability, and shipping options. A simple, clear question to include is, can I place the order directly on 1688? Getting this confirmation helps you avoid failed checkouts or price changes after payment. When you're ready, place the order by selecting the exact quantity, color, and size you need. Then tap the Buy Now or Place Order button and review the order summary. Double check variations and totals here, because this is what the supplier will fulfill. Add your shipping address next. Most international buyers send purchases to a China warehouse or freight forwarder, and that's generally the smoothest route. If the seller supports it, you can enter an international address, but make sure they agree to ship directly and confirm the courier and costs in the chat first. Choose a payment method available to you on 1688. Common options include paying with your Alipay balance, an Alipay linked bank card, or sometimes a credit or debit card if the seller allows it. Note that WeChat Pay is typically not supported for these orders, so be prepared with Alipay set up and verified in advance. Finally, complete the payment. Confirm the total amount, authorize the payment in Alipay, and wait for the confirmation screen to appear back in the 1688 app. Once you see the order confirmed, your purchase is officially placed. From there, keep an eye on messages from the supplier for production updates, shipping information, and tracking.